Which of the following national parks is not in Himachal Pradesh? So the correct answer is C, that is Kaleshwar National Park. This Kaleshwar National Park is situated in Haryana district. Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Madhya Pradesh. So Kuno is a national park in Madhya Pradesh, established in 1981 and as a wildlife sanctuary with an area of 344.686 kilometer, and it is situated in Shiopur and Morena district, and it is also known as Kuno Palpur and Palpur Kuno Wildlife Sanctuary. Ascot Musk Deer Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is B, that is Uttarakhand. So this sanctuary was set up primarily to protect the musk deer, that is Muscus leogaster, and its habitat. Established in 1986 and it covers area 599.93 kilometer. Malabar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Kerala. So Malabar Wildlife Sanctuary is protected area located along the Western Ghats and is spread across 74 square kilometer in Chakatipara and Korachundur revenue villages. And this wildlife sanctuary comes under Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves also. Kangar Ghati National Park is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Chhattisgarh. So Kangar Ghati National Park was declared a national park in 1982 by the government of India, and it is one of the India's densest national parks, and it is known as biodiversity, landscape, waterfall and subterranean geomorphic limestone caves, and it is known for its biodiversity, landscape, waterfall and limestone caves, etc. Khirganga National Park is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is C, that is Himachal Pradesh. So Khirganga National Park is a national park in Himachal Pradesh and it is established in 2010 and located in Kullu, and the area covered in this park is 710 square kilometer. Grizzled Squirrel Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is E, that is Tamil Nadu. The sanctuary covers 485 square kilometer in western Tamil Nadu. Dehing Patkai National Park is located in which of the following states? The correct answer is A, that is Assam. Mauling National Park is located in which state of India? The correct answer is B, that is Arunachal Pradesh. Mauling National Park is a national park located in the state of Arunachal Pradesh and is spread primarily over the Upper Siang district and part of the West Siang and East Siang district. And it was the second national park to be created in the state after Namdapha National Park in 1972. Which among the following national parks is the world's only floating national park? The correct answer is B, that is Kaibul Lamjao. It is located on the floating Loktak Lake of Manipur. National Chambal Sanctuary is famous for which animal? The correct answer is A, that is Gharial. So National Chambal Sanctuary is also known as National Chambal Gharial Wildlife Sanctuary and it is 5,400 square kilometer. Where is the Bandipur National Park? The correct answer is B, that is Karnataka. So Bandigarh National Park is important part of Nilgiri Biosphere Reserves also. Mukurti National Park is located in which of the following Indian state? The correct answer is C, that is Tamil Nadu. So this park is characterized by montane grasslands and shrublands interspersed with sholas in a high altitude area of high rainfall near freezing temperatures and high winds. Where is the Lakhbausi sanctuary located? The correct answer is D, that is Uttar Pradesh. So Lakhbausi sanctuary is a bird sanctuary spread over two hills near the village of Lakh and Bausi in Kannauj district, Uttar Pradesh. The dash in Kerala has its own elephant sanctuary. The correct answer is B, that is Guruvayur temple. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? The correct answer is A, that is Goa. Is host to number of common and uncommon species of marsh dwelling birds and animals. Where is Sariska National Park located? The correct answer is D, that is Rajasthan. So, Sariska National Park preserved in eastern Rajasthan state and has the area of 190 square miles. And it is established in 1955 in Sariska Forest as a wildlife sanctuary and it was declared National Park in 1979. Which national park is the India's first national park? The correct answer is B, that is Jim Corbett National Park. And it is situated in Nainital district of Uttarakhand state. And it was established in 1936 during the British Raj. Blackbuck National Park is situated in which of the following states in India? The correct answer is B, that is Gujarat. It is established in 1976 in the Bhal region of Saurashtra. The park is located around 42 kilometers from the district headquarters of Bhavnagar. Which national park is UNESCO World Heritage Site? The correct answer is A, that is Great Himalayan National Park. It is located in Kullu region. And this park is established in 1984 and it spreads in area of 1171 kilometer. Hope this video will help you in your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.